Hi there. Now I'm gonna teach you how to use Bard, and let's compare it with ChatGPT, okay? So what is Bard? So Bard is technically the same as ChatGPT, however Google is the one who released it. Actually, I think this is the latest one of the AI, because ChatGPT was the first one. So to compare them, I already made a list of few questions here to ask. So first one is gonna be around coding, second one is about a novel, I think, and third one's about a poem. Last one is gonna be of spitting facts about a general question. So let's try this one, the code first. Let's try entering them as the same as soon as possible. I try clicking them at the same time. So let's just wait for them, okay? So from here, as you can see, Bard took a very quick time doing it, and ChatGPT is still taking a long time. Now, while waiting for ChatGPT, I'm going to tell you how to access Bard, okay? Just open any browser you have. I'm using Microsoft Edge, and just click on Bard AI, and click this one, Meet Bard, okay? There's a wait list. I think it only took me around a few hours to get in. Just I'll click your email there, and then they will send you a link to try Bard. So from here, let's check this out. As you can see, Bard took a very quick response with this one, and ChatGPT took a while. However, upon testing this one with the code that I tried earlier, it doesn't really mean if you're fast that it's good. I tried this one, and this is not a correct code. It gives off errors. I tried fixing it, but however, the code that Bard gave out is not really good. On the other hand, ChatGPT is really near perfect. I didn't even try or fixing it. It's the one that I got from ChatGPT is the one I use, and there's no errors. Okay, so that's 1 point for ChatGPT, and let's move on to the next one. Let me try the second question. How about this one, the poem? Let's click on them on the same time as I can. So for the second poem, as you can see, Bard is still making or answering fast, and ChatGPT is still not that quick about it. However, if you notice here, ChatGPT is now typing, and for me, this could be judged by your description. So when you see here Bard, they answer quick, right? But they also give a good plot. However, ChatGPT here answer a long time, but they also give a good plot. So it's only by a matter of own discretion here which one do you like better. But however, for personally, there's something about ChatGPT that's just gives off the like, I like it more personally. So it's up to you which one do you give the point here. So let's just leave it at 1 point GPT yet and Bard first, okay? So moving on, let's try this one. How about a poem? Let's just stop GPT here, because technically I'm not gonna judge which is better here. They're just titles. Let's try poems. Again, it's by your discretion which one better for you. But however, the first one earlier, right? You saw the code. ChatGPT is the one who gave out a perfect code. Anyway, for this one, I'm gonna give 1 point to Bard because it really answers as quickly as possible. But the thing is the answer really good? As you can see here, this is a very basic, like elementary poem. But on GPT, it gives you that poem that you like, the description, the accurate terms and stuff like that. I'm gonna give this round to GPT. So that's 2-0. I'm sorry, 2-1, because Bard is fast, right? Anyway, let's try the last one here. Explain how brainwaves work. This is actually just a general question. Again, there you go. As you can see, Bard really answers as fast as he can. So I'm gonna give up my conclusion here. If you want a fast answer, use Bard. If you want a very good explanation of your question, if you want a very accurate one, use GPT-4. They have their own strong suits, okay? And that is being said, so thank you for watching, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.